Today we're going to learn how to operate Canon's Direct Print and Share batch printing software for all imagePROGRAF printers. The imagePROGRAF Direct Print and Share software allows you to easily batch print multiple files of different formats. First select your printer, and then select the files you wish to add to print. You can either add them from the local source, or you can drag and drop them into the window. Then a preview is displayed either by the layout of the paper or the content. Here you have the ability to then take the files that you have added to the print window, select your roll source, your type, your width, and then you can either match the page size by its determined size, or you can fit to a specific page size. And then you can select your quality, your color mode, and your orientation. If you have a cloud account, you can also integrate with that account by selecting the Cloud Service Integration button. Select the files you wish to print, and then download them to your current print window. Multiple page PDFs can be expanded by selecting the down arrow. Here you will get a list of all pages within the multi-page PDF. Then you may choose to print selected pages or print all pages. To collapse the window, simply select the down arrow again. You may also select the Advanced Settings tab to open up the imagePROGRAF print driver for specific driver settings. Also, in the new Direct Print and Share software version 2.55, there is now a shortcut print button. It will capture all of the saved settings for your print parameters and then create a shortcut onto the desktop or wherever you choose. Now a shortcut has been placed onto my desktop where I can easily drag and drop file formats to be able to be printed without opening up Direct Print and Share. Specific file formats that are eligible to be printed through imagePROGRAF Direct Print and Share are PDF, TIFF, JPEG, and HPGL2 or plot files. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the imagePROGRAF Direct Print and Share software.